Hey guys, it's Kim. Welcome back to today's video. So in today's video, I'm doing something I've actually never done before. It's going to be only like a shoe haul, and I've never just shown you guys shoes. It's always been like clothes and maybe some shoes mixed in, but this is the first time that I'm showing you guys like just shoes. So today's video, I did partner up with Shoedazzle, so they sent me these boots for free, and I am so excited to share with you guys the styles that I picked out. They have such cute shoes. I'm gonna link them down below in the description box so you guys can check out their website. I'm sure you've heard of them before. They're very popular online, and I had heard of them so many times in the past, and when they reached out to me, I was super excited about it. So if you guys want to find out all the shoes that I picked out, then keep on watching. It was so hard to pick. I was on the website like every day trying to pick out my favorite pairs, but there are so many to choose from. So if you guys want to see everything, and also I'm going to be showing you guys clips of me wearing each shoe so you can kind of get a better idea of how they look when they're on instead of me just holding them, then please keep watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not yet. It's the first link in my description box. Make sure you guys check that out. Also, tap that notification bell so you guys don't miss out on future videos. You will get notified on your phone and an email. So let's get on into it. So basically how it works is they have a membership that you can do. So it's $39.95 per month. And what they'll do is they'll ask you to take a style quiz so they can get to know what your style is for shoes. So it kind of like helps tailor to you, which is really cool. And they're also doing a buy one, get one free, which is so awesome. So you can buy one pair, get one for free for $39.95, which is crazy. It's like getting two pairs of really nice shoes for only $20 each. So definitely check that out. It'll be in the description box. And if you do end up signing up for it, you can either skip a month, you can skip as many times as you want so they like won't charge you, or you can go ahead and pick out shoes if you want to, and they also have free shipping over $39. If you don't shop or if you don't skip the month, you still get a member credit, which can be used towards your next shoe purchase. So like they'll charge you, but you can then use that to buy a pair of shoes. I want to show you guys everything that I picked out from Shoedazzle, and it was so much fun like browsing through all their styles. And everything I'm going to show you guys are boots. We're still in March. It's still cold here in New York. Like today I was outside before. It is still freezing cold, so I'm wearing long sleeves. I'm still wearing boots. I'm still wearing like fuzzy boots. Quality of the shoes is really good. I've tried on every single pair. I took pictures because I wanted to get a feel for the shoes instead of just like getting them and then showing you guys right away. Like I wanted to try them on, see how they fit, look at the quality of them, like really just walk around and wear them so I could give you guys like my actual opinion on them instead of just like a regular unboxing when I got them in the mail. I'm gonna share with you guys every pair, and I'm also gonna link every pair down below. And the first pair I want to share with you guys, this boot. How stinking cute is this? So this is called the Kiki, and I was cracking up because my little 2-year-old nephew calls me Kiki, so I was like, I have to get these because it's just so perfect. They have a really nice heel. This is like a classic boot that every girl needs in their closet. I needed a new pair of boots like this because I had a pair and they were so dirty. So when I was picking out boots, I was like, oh my gosh, these are so perfect. And they have 2 zippers. So this one doesn't come down, it's like a fake. This one does come down so you can use it to take your shoes on and off. It's just like the perfect color. It goes with everything. It's neutral. These are so adorable. Of course, I'll show you guys what these look like when I'm actually wearing them. But I love that you can dress these up. They're really cute just with like every outfit. Like I feel like when I throw on these booties, they just instantly make me look just more put together than say like a flat boot. And the heel, it's honestly not too high. It's like 2 inches, and that's like as high as I'll go. I really don't like heels, but these are fine. They're very comfortable. I wore them when I was doing an outfit photo, and I was just like, oh my gosh, they're so comfortable. Like my feet felt really good in them. I have like really weird feet. I don't mean that in the sense of like weird looking feet. I just like usually shoes hurt me, so it takes me a while to say that I like really love a pair of shoes. So you know they're approved by me. The quality is really nice too. Like you can tell these are really well made. Like they remind me of like a Steve Madden, any like more like mid-range brand like that. And the brand is just Shoedazzle. So definitely really loving these. I know I'm gonna get so much use out of them. Okay, next up I have a pair of boots that are more like a boot, like a true combat boot. These are called the Delilah. I just thought these were so cute because they have like this gold buckle detailing, and I always feel like gold looks really nice and like high end on shoes as opposed to like silver buckle detail, if that makes sense. I don't know, just something about the gold I think looks really pretty. And I didn't really have any sort of boots like this in my closet, and I just thought they were so fun. Like I feel like they would look cute with like black ripped jeans and like a little what would you call it, like the chambray denim top, which I actually did wear with these, and I really like the way it looked. You know, or you can wear them more casually because they are kind of like a funky, fun boot. They're very well made. Like the bottom is really nice. Like I feel like they have a nice grip on them. It's say like raining out or snow out, like I feel like I would be safe wearing these walking around or commuting. So these you actually lace up. The zipper is just for show. It doesn't actually like come down, so you take them on and off. So you do lace them up. They're also like really warm too. Like when you put them on, they're very cozy. And I'm on the website right now, and it looks like most sizes are sold out, which stinks. I see there's like size 7 left in stock. Like I was saying, if you see something on the Shoedazzle website that you like love, make sure you get your size, because it seems like from what I can tell that things sell out and go really quickly, especially when they're like really cute or popular. Okay, moving on to the next pair of shoes. This is like the most fun pair of boots, I think. And when I saw these, I was like, oh my gosh, I have to get them. So these are the Jane Glitter Hiker Booty. And yes, that is glitter on the boots, and then there's fur on top. And I thought these were so fun. They remind me of like Doc Martens, and I don't have any sort of like Doc Marten type boots in my boot collection, so I thought these would be perfect. I've been wearing these like with leggings, and they look really cute. They just have like a fun element to them. I had never seen boots like this before. They look really pretty out like in the sun too. They just shine really nicely, and I think they're so fun. They do like seem a little big, so I would size down half a size if you are interested in these. But these are really good too for like the snow or like rainy weather, because again, they have the really nice grip on the bottom, and they seem like really good quality. I've worn these out and about quite a few times. I wore them to work one day, and they were like so warm because again, it's still cold here in New York. If you guys live in like a similar area to me, like you know, throughout March it's still really cold and windy, and it could still like snow or whatever. The fur on top just kind of gives them a little something extra. So again, we'll link these down below, but they are so just like fun. It's definitely a favorite. These are the Agatha, hopefully I'm saying that right, Agatha thigh-high boot. Oh my gosh, I am all about the thigh-high boot. I actually wore them with this dress I'm wearing today. It's more like a tighter fitting bodycon dress. I will link this dress down below too. It's so comfortable. But this is the Agatha, and it is in gray. And I actually got gray because I already had a black pair, and I feel like I want this boot in every single color. It just looks so good with like a dress, a flowy dress, a tighter dress. I love the way that thigh-high boots look. They are just so cute. Like they just instantly make your legs look super long, and you just look so chic. A cute hat, I just love them. So these, they do run a little bit big. Like the top is pretty big on me. They stayed up. I didn't have problems with them falling down, but it did feel a little bit big, I will definitely say that. So I kind of wish the top had a tie. There's a tie in the back, but it doesn't really help with the top. Even if you have like skinny jeans on, these look really cute, and I like that they're flat so they're not hard to walk in. I like how you can have a little bit of skin peeking through on top. It's just, it looks really good. So yeah, I love these. I feel like these are a must-have. Like you have to have a pair of good thigh-high boots. Definitely black, gray, and like a tan color, especially for wintertime, beginning of spring, because I'm still wearing boots like this, you guys. Like even though we're going into spring, it's still like appropriate for the weather here. Okay, last pair, and probably one of my like top favorites. These booties, they're so fun. Are you guys ready for these? Okay, so these are the Jenna, and I loved these because the studs. I love anything with studs, especially ones like this that are like round. I just feel like it adds a little bit of extra flair and style to the outfit. Kind of just adds a little bit of something that maybe your outfit didn't have before, and just studs are so cute. And this has a little heel, so you can kind of feel a little bit dressed up. It's like maybe like a little more than an inch, so it's nothing crazy. But I was just like instantly drawn to these when I saw them. I was like, I have to have them. They are a pointed toe. It's a little bit more pointy than I am used to, so it's definitely like an adjustment if you're used to wearing like the rounded toe. So when you see it, you're kind of like, whoa, that's a lot. But they are still really cute and fun. And again, just look cute with every outfit. Like, love it with the chambray denim top. You could wear them with a dress. They look cute with everything. And I did see they do have like all sizes in stock for this shoe, so I will link this one down below so you guys can check it out. But I just think these are so much fun. Studs are so cute. I don't know, just something about them I was like really drawn to. Alright guys, so that is everything that I hauled from Shoedazzle. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing everything that I picked out, and let me know in the comments down below which pair of booties was your favorite. Do you guys like the more like dressy types like the first one I showed, or do you guys like more kind of like that combat style that you can kind of dress down a little bit with leggings? Definitely let me know. I would love to hear from you guys, and don't forget, if you want to check out any of the Shoedazzle shoes, each one will be linked down below in my description box. And also, if you want to check out the VIP membership, that will be down below as well. It's a really good program. It's a really cool deal if you guys are really into shoes. I love shoes. I think they're so fun. I kind of love having this whole collection. I love picking from different shoes every day and trying on different ones, and so fun. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.